So I examined the radiator plug to drain it, and the plug is definitely stripped. I mean, where you put the Phillips screwdriver in is just beat up and it's not coming out. So I'm going to try to do it without pulling the radiator. I think there was somebody who did that. But so what I did was, this bracket's off here. This bracket, we have this nut here, bolt down in there, and then there's two more down in here, right there, and then there's another one. So I have them loosened up. I should be able to get that bracket out next. But I'm going to quit for today on this, and I'm going to go work on the tree some. But I think we made good progress. I've documented everything quite well, so I should be able to get it back together, even if it is a few days. And we'll go from there.